Hi guys, this is Prateek. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your voice recordings, podcasts, YouTube videos, or any other videos or any other recordings. So it's a very easy method. Let me show you the software which I use. So firstly, I'm going to Chrome. So you can easily download Audacity from anywhere. Let me search Audacity and the first link. So click on download. So it's available for Windows, Mac, Linux. So whichever OS you're using, you can download it for that. So I've clicked here Windows. So it will start downloading here, or you can use the direct download link. So as I have already installed this, I will cancel this. So after downloading, you have to install this from here. So let me show you the test audio which I have recorded.
Hi guys, my name is Prateek and this is a test audio.
So as you can see, there is too much background noise in this audio. So we'll try to remove this background noise by Audacity. Let me show you. Yeah. So we'll import that from the desktop. Yeah. Let me play it once.
Hi guys.
So we'll try to do this. So firstly, we have to select the spikes. These spikes are noise. So we have to select this by the cursor, and after selecting, we have to click on effect and noise reduction. So from here you can get the noise profile. You have to click on noise profile. After that you have to select all, Control A. After selecting all, you have to click on effect and click on noise reduction. So you can change the decibel noise reduction, sensitivity and frequency smoothing, whatever you want to do. But I'll not change anything. I'll just click on OK. So as you can see, the spikes have been reduced. So we'll do this once again to reduce them again. So noise reduction, get noise profile and select all, effect, noise reduction and OK. So as you can see, the spikes have been minimized. So let me show you.
Hi guys, my name is Prateek.
So it's better than the earlier version. So you can also remove the small spikes which you can see here by just zooming in and zooming out. I prefer not to remove them as the voice is perfectly fine. So I hope you like this video. So if you face any issues using Audacity, you can comment below, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.